Where's your coin? Poo. Poo?
Bing.
I think he's done a poo.
Then he tells me in Swedish he wants a new diaper.
Does he?
Byta blöja, he says that.
Does he know?
Yeah.
You're a clever boy, aren't you?
Well, we're going to put the training soon. We're going to buy
Thanks.
one, so it's potty training in 1 week.
Where is it? It's not behind your ear, is it? Let me check. Yeah, it was. It's behind your ear again. Hmm? Oh dear, I'm climbing up all those stairs. Ready? Where is it?
Yeah.
Not again. Is it gone? Has Andy got it? I wonder if it's in here.
Is die weg, je muntje?
Ja.
I wonder if it's in here. Is it in your digger? I think it's in there. I think it's in here.
Vad skott den, Josh?
I think it's there. I scooped it up.
Oh.
Oh, that was really clever of that digger, wasn't it? Ready? Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, there it is.
Oj, försiktigt, inte slänga mot elden. Kanske hamnar i brasan, Josh.
Shall I move? Okay. Ready? Do it again. Where is it? Is it in your slipper? Let's see. It is! God, you can really smell gas. Ready? Careful. Because my slippers are behind you, don't trip. I don't know where that landed. Where did it land? That's really weird. Do you think Bambi's got it again?
Huh?
What about Bambi? Yeah, he did. He was sitting on it again. How did it get there? It's really weird.